This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Jennifer.wurts. Beautiful home ready to move into. Huge great room in the basement with a half bath. Laundry room with storage and a stand-up shower also in basement. Built-in 1-car garage and detached 2-car garage. Nice hardwood flooring throughout living room, hall and bedrooms. Wraparound leather couch, television and treadmill are all included in the sale of the home. Call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer.wurts at 606-329-8000.